Hey everyone, before starting, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. We encourage you to focus more on listening than watching to get the most out of the content. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to the channel for tech stocks updates. It's MKBHD here and the tech world is buzzing. We're on the cusp of another year and you know what that means, new Apple gadgets. Get ready for the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11. Buckle up! Because rumors suggest some big changes are coming in 2025. We're talking design overhauls, mind-blowing features, and innovations that could redefine the tech landscape. Excited? I know I am. Let's dive into the details. We'll break down all the juicy leaks and speculation surrounding these upcoming releases. Stay tuned because things are about to get interesting. The iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to have a major shakeup. Apple is known for its innovative approach, and this time, it seems they are ready to make a bold move. Get ready to say goodbye to the Plus model. The Plus has been a staple for those who wanted a larger screen without going pro, but it seems its time has come to an end. In its place, whispers suggest a sleek and stylish Slim or possibly Air variant. This new model is expected to bring a fresh design and advanced features that cater to modern users' needs. This new edition would slot perfectly between the standard iPhone 17 and the Pro models. It aims to bridge the gap, offering a balance of performance and elegance. Imagine a phone that's crazy thin and light but doesn't skimp on screen size. The Slim or Air variant is expected to deliver just that, providing a large display in a feather-light body. That's the potential of the iPhone 17 Slim Air. It promises to be a game-changer, combining cutting-edge technology with a design that feels almost weightless in your hand. It's all about offering users more choice and finding that sweet spot between portability, functionality, and price. Apple understands that consumers want a device that fits seamlessly into their lifestyle. The standard iPhone 17 and the Pro models will likely remain. These models have their own loyal following and continue to set the benchmark for performance and innovation. This gives us a four-phone lineup, more options for everyone. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge features, sleek design, or a balance of both, the new lineup aims to cater to a wide range of preferences and needs. Let's talk design. The iPhone 17 Slim Air is rumored to be unbelievably thin. We're talking pushing the boundaries of engineering here. Think sleek edges, a lightweight frame, and a design language that screams premium. But it's not just about looks. Apple is all about that fusion of form and function. Rumors suggest the Slim Air might incorporate new materials for improved durability. We could be talking about even tougher glass, aerospace-grade aluminum, or maybe even something entirely new. Imagine a phone that feels amazing in your hand and can withstand the rigors of daily life. That's the promise of the iPhone 17 Slim Air. No new iPhone would be complete without a blazing fast processor. Enter the A19 Bionic Chip, rumored to be the beating heart of the iPhone 17 lineup. We're talking about a significant leap in performance here. Expect faster processing speeds, smoother graphics, and even more efficient power consumption. This is the chip that will power all your demanding apps, games, and augmented reality experiences. The A19 Bionic Chip is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's Apple flexing its silicon muscle and showing the world what's possible. Apple Watch Series 11, more than just a pretty wrist. The Apple Watch has come a long way from its humble beginnings. With the Series 11, Apple is poised to redefine what a smartwatch can be. Forget simple notifications and fitness tracking. We're talking about a comprehensive health and wellness companion. Imagine a device that doesn't just monitor your health but actively helps you improve it. That's the vision for the Apple Watch Series 11. It's about empowering users to take control of their well-being with cutting-edge technology. Get ready for a smartwatch experience like no other. Healthier You advanced tracking and AI integration. The Apple Watch Series 11 is rumored to take health tracking to a whole new level. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward in wearable technology. We could see even more advanced sensors, designed to capture a wider array of health metrics with unprecedented precision. Think improved heart rate monitoring, capable of detecting subtle variations that could indicate potential health issues. Sleep tracking, that analyzes sleep stages with pinpoint accuracy, helping you understand your sleep patterns better than ever before. And maybe even blood oxygen level monitoring, providing critical insights into your respiratory health. But it's not just about collecting data. The real innovation lies in how this data is used. The real magic happens when you combine that data with the power of AI. Artificial intelligence can analyze your health metrics in real time, offering insights that were previously unimaginable. Imagine the Apple Watch Series 11, providing personalized insights tailored specifically to your unique health profile, predicting potential health issues before they even arise, giving you the chance to take preventative measures, and offering actionable advice to help you stay ahead of the curve. This isn't just about reacting to health problems, it's about preventing them. This is preventative healthcare at its finest. With the integration of advanced tracking and AI, the Apple Watch Series 11 aims to be not just a gadget, but a vital part of your health and wellness journey. Fitness first, pushing your limits. If you're serious about fitness, the Apple Watch Series 11 is here to be your ultimate workout buddy. Expect new fitness tracking features that go beyond the basics. Think workout suggestions tailored to your fitness level, automatic exercise detection that recognizes a wider range of activities, and even more detailed metrics to track your progress. Imagine a smartwatch that motivates you to push harder, celebrates your achievements, and helps you crush your fitness goals. That's the power of the Apple Watch Series 11. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete. Beyond the horizon, glucose monitoring and beyond. Now let's talk about the holy grail of smartwatch technology: non-invasive glucose monitoring. Rumors have been swirling for years, and the Apple Watch Series 11 could be the one to finally deliver. Imagine being able to track your blood sugar levels throughout the day without the need for painful finger pricks. But that's not all. Apple is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We could see other groundbreaking health sensors, advanced sleep apnea detection, and even features we haven't even imagined yet. The future of health tech is on your wrist. The Apple ecosystem's seamless integration. Of course, we can't talk about new Apple products without mentioning the seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. The iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11 are designed to work together flawlessly. Imagine effortlessly answering calls on your watch, controlling your Apple TV with your iPhone, or unlocking your Mac with a tap of your wrist. It's this tight integration that sets Apple apart. It's about creating a connected experience that just works. What's next? The future of tech. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the advancements in technology are more exciting than ever. The future holds endless possibilities, and today, we explore what's next in the world of tech. The iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11 are more than just product releases. They're a glimpse into the future of technology. These devices are designed to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible, integrating cutting-edge features that will redefine our daily lives. Apple is known for its innovation, and these devices are poised to set new industry standards. From enhanced performance to sleek designs, the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11 are set to revolutionize the tech landscape. Engineers and designers at Apple are constantly pushing the envelope to bring us the most advanced technology. What do you think about these rumored features? Imagine a world where your devices are not just tools but extensions of yourself, seamlessly integrating into every aspect of your life. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is palpable. Are you excited about the iPhone 17 Slim Air? This model promises to be the thinnest and lightest iPhone yet, without compromising on power or functionality. The unboxing experience alone is set to be a thrill for tech enthusiasts everywhere. What about the health tracking capabilities of the Apple Watch Series 11? With advanced sensors and algorithms, this watch is not just a timepiece but a comprehensive health monitoring device. It's designed to help you stay on top of your fitness goals and overall well-being. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions and insights are invaluable as we navigate this exciting journey into the future of technology. Join the conversation and share what features you're most looking forward to. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release date. The anticipation is building, and we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. Mark your calendars and get ready for the next big leap in technology. The future is just around the corner. With each new innovation, we move one step closer to a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more connected, efficient, and exciting. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come.